Hello everybody! Since you liked our last experiments video so much, today we bring you 3 new experiments. Are you ready? Today we make more experiments with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. The first one we're going to do is a colored rain, and we need a clear jug of water, shaving foam, food dye, and a dropper. To make the colors of our rain, I'm pouring dye in a little bit of water. And I'm mixing it very well. This will be the water we'll take with our dropper. And now we're going to pour the shaving cream over the water. Be very generous. This experiment is great to explain to the little ones how the clouds work in a simplified way. And now with our dropper, we pour the colors over the shaving foam. And this is when we can explain to them that when the clouds are saturated with water, is when we see that it falls to the ground in the form of rain. It looks beautiful and it's super relaxing. And it's also a good way to work on the color mixture. Psst, don't forget to subscribe. This way you can watch videos like this every week. See how cool the colors look when they fall? The truth is that this experiment is very simple, but it's a lot of fun to do. Let's go with the next one. Now we're going to make a balloon blowing bottle. We need a bottle, a balloon, baking soda, and vinegar. We'll just pour the vinegar into our bottle. And put the equivalent of 4 teaspoons of baking soda into the balloon. We put it on top very carefully, and when we put it upright, we see how the vinegar reacts with the baking soda, creating carbon dioxide, and that's why our balloon inflates. Remember to hold it because look at what happened to me. But it's a very cool experiment that works every time. By the way, I wanted to remind you that you can follow us on our Instagram. That way you won't miss any of the resources that we're sharing, and you will be updated with all the videos that we upload on YouTube. We left a link for you to follow us in the description box. Let's continue with the last experiment. We're going to make rainbow bubbles. We'll need a bottle, a piece of fabric, a hair tie, dishwashing soap, and food dye. Let's start by cutting our bottle. I'm giving a big like to this video, of course. We remove the cap because we don't need it, and we put the piece of fabric on top of the bottle and secure it with a hair tie. Now we're going to put some food dye on the fabric. Let's put a lot so that the bubbles have lots of colors. And now we mix the soap with a little bit of water and stir it. And when we have the mixture, it's as easy as dipping the bottle and blowing. Bubbles of many colors will come out. If you do this in the garden, it will be much better, because I covered the table with food dye. But it was a lot of fun. And look at how many colors we can see in our bubbles. Did you like the 3 experiments that we showed you today? Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to tag us if you do one at home. And well, before finishing today's video, we wanted to say hello to Camila, who asked us to do it in the comments the other day. See you next week with a new video. Bye!